Roar.
Whatever. Bahala ka.
Roar.
Roar daw.
Starting over again. And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you, you're gonna feel love that's beautiful and new. This time I'll love you even better than I ever did before, and you'll be in my arms forevermore.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you po, sorry.
May pag-asa ka maging singer at maging bida sa isang stage musical na magkakaroon ng audition ngayong March 29. Baka dito gagawin, depende sa pag-uusap namin ng manager dito. Oo. And with me is... Yeah. Binigay ko sa iyo yung
Yes,
ano.
yes,
Oo.
I will.
Tinext ko sa iyo yung vlog. Pagkikigay ko yung Mr. Ne. And bukod doon, ay mayroong March 29 edition. The producer and director is here, the international vlogger Francis Seco.